Hey there, YouTube. Working in this unit today, I found an old gas boiler that I thought you guys might want to take a look at. It's pretty neat. We don't hardly see any of them working anymore. We do have, or had, several coal boilers in the system, but they replaced them with gas. We have one actually gas working boiler for the whole entire building. But check this out. So the natural gas feed came in from down there, and it was piped over to here. Then you had the big old regulator into your gas control valve, into your furnace, and then you had your blower and the damper, and then on top but then I take you inside and show you some of the old part of it. So this was a cage right here that the ductwork would blow through here. You can see where I'm still like standing in part of it. The ductwork would blow through there and it would send it through the system. And there's that big old blower there. This is about 4 foot tall and maybe 6 foot long, probably. Pretty neat. Don't forget, see value in this video, give me a thumbs up. Well, I wanted you guys to see an actual working boiler. Alright, we got two actual working boilers, and they cycle back and forth. The gas, of course, it comes down right here off of the big branch that we have there. Big branch over down into our unit. See how much technology does for you now. This is the blower here, and what we've seen before was this great big 4 foot by 6 foot, and it's got a control board here. Kicks on, tells it when to send it to it, when to open up the gas, when to send they call it glycol in the system. The chiller right now actually got a leak on the chiller. Still waiting for parts to come in to fix it. This is a major piping system, plumbing system. You got commercial, and this is the kind of plumbing that I like to do. I did crawl and wreath houses when I was first starting out as an apprentice, but I really like the commercial side of it. Well, if you see value in this video, or if you thought it was interesting, don't forget, give me a thumbs up.